This is our house, and we made the oven, and we made the bedrooms. This is BB's, and this is windows.
And then when the people are in it, they can just peek through their windows,
and they can
talk to each other. And
yay! Why did you bring my door?
This is our door. And we put the gold things at the back because on the house because it's a mansion. We're trying to make a mansion, but we didn't get to finish it yet. So we just built the whole thing. No, like the skinny pieces.
And we also made this by Lego, if you never noticed. And the doors can open and shut. Windows.
All right.
Hi, I was trying to make a version of this blanket, but it didn't turn out that way. It turned out to something different. It turned out to like a fine carpet. This is a little surf practice pool, and this is the seat. If you just want to sit down, read a book or something, and also the driver sits up here. And this is where you take a picnic. This is where you pretend you're on the sun because you're up high over there. It's like you want to pretend you're doing stuff. And here's the couch of us in case you want to sit on it. Oh, and here we have another couch in case that one got full. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.
This is my car. It's made out of gold, and I don't really know what to say, but I started making towers with gold because why not? And that's it.
This guy is named Chain Destroyer, and this one's called Mailbox Tower. These two are trying to fight each other, and then Mailbox Tower gets torn down, and then he's gonna jump on his head like crazy, and then kick, and then he's gonna fly away, and then whee, pop, and then he's on his head.
It protects people from stealing the treasure, and this is a gate, and helping it steal more treasure, and this helps it go fast, and I control, and he controls, when I drive, and he controls that.
Okay, I'll call you.
And this can kill, get the guard the thing too, and somebody tries to get through.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Awesome. Go.
Here we go, and
All right.
this is my fidget spinner. It's a and I'm Coco's and when you spin it, and it looks like a bummer. These are black and it's yellow. It is.
Is that it? Nice.
I'm Johnny, and this is my Lego truck that I built at Jason's workshop. It's really cool because it's got this really neat program. My friend says that it reminds me a lot of the Lego set he had. It doesn't look a lot like the Lego set he described. He described this as a tanker. So yeah, this is my dump truck, and I'm Johnny.
This is a castle I made. You think it's like just this is like made from the roof. So first I got this and that. I found these in the bag. So I wanted one, and then I found two. So then I wanted two. I found these and that, and I put them together. There was like things sticking out. One kept falling off, so I took it off. And these are the things so that they won't drip on the people who want to go in the balcony, and they can come off too. And this is what's holding this, and this it is attached to stuff. And this is the electricity comes in, it comes out there, and that's the balcony. Those are the things that close these up, and these are for this is, and then these are for this is where you eat, and you have to wait your turn, and you can go sliding here. So you first you get on that, then you go up here and start sliding. This is where you can stop, or if you keep on sliding that wasn't there, you keep on going, it might be an edge. And that's it.
Trailer type thing. I'm not finished yet, but it has spring.
Major Dad's here!
Lego Day. I love Lego Day. How come I wasn't invited?
Mud truck that goes through the mud. And it has a big motor.
Nice.
And it has big tires.
Cool.
I made another one.
That's it? All right.